Welcome to Maple Leaf Numismatics, where we explore the captivating world of rare Canadian coins. In today's episode, we will examine the 1965 5-cents large beads variety, a hidden gem that might be lurking in your pocket change. Let's delve into what makes this coin so remarkable. The 1965 5-cent coin, minted by the Royal Canadian Mint, boasts an intriguing history. Its composition is pure nickel, weighing 4.54 grams with a diameter of 21.21 millimeters. The reverse features the iconic beaver, designed by G. Kruger Gray, while the obverse showcases a mature portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, created by Arnold Mackin. In 1965, Canada introduced a new effigy of the Queen, portraying her with a diamond tiara, replacing the previous laurel wreath. This marked the first of 3 changes to her portrait on Canadian coins. The inscription was also modified, abbreviating Dei Gratia to DG for space efficiency. This coin exists in 2 primary varieties, small beads and large beads. Today, we will focus on the rarer large beads variety, characterized by 138 beads around the rim, compared to the 119 beads found on the small beads variety. Notice how the beads on the small beads are positioned closer to the Queen's portrait, while the large beads are nearer to the rim. Identifying the large beads variety is essential for collectors. One distinguishing feature is the tiara. The jewel at the back is often detached or lightly attached, which differentiates it from the small beads variety. Another crucial indicator is the alignment of the lettering. If you draw an imaginary line between the two in Elizabeth II, you'll find that this line intersects a bead on the large beads variety, whereas it passes between 2 beads on the small beads variety. This detail is vital for accurate identification. The mintage for the 1965 5-cent coins was 84,876,018. Regarding value, the small beads variety is relatively common, often worth only a few cents to a couple of dollars depending on its condition. However, the large beads variety represents a true collector's treasure. In very fine condition, it can command around $490. In mint state, it may exceed $2,000. For instance, a coin graded MS-60 is valued at approximately $1,620, while an MS-65 can reach up to $5,200. Recent auction results indicate a strong demand for mint state examples. For example, a coin graded MS-63 recently sold for approximately $2,584.19, while an MS-65 fetched $4,130. This illustrates the significant interest among collectors. Here's an intriguing fact. The large beads variety was first discovered in 1996 by Jerry Kennison, who found multiple examples in a roll of proof-like coins. You never know, there may be one hiding in your collection or pocket change. Thank you for joining us at Maple Leaf Numismatics as we explored the 1965 Canada 5-cents large beads variety. We hope you found this informative.